Starting around 02 November 2023, Velo sort of is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.81% in very most recent 60 minutes, which certainly is genuinely huge. Velo sort of has a kind of complete market cap of $18,102,671, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,841,358 in an unpretentious manner. This generally makes Velo essentially positioning at 593 in the digital currency market, which sort of is very critical. On the off chance that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the Velo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Velo generally be in every practical sense worth in 2023 in a very significant way? Is Velo a genuinely wise venture or essentially worth purchasing in 2023, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking? Will Velo cost generally outperform its record-breaking high, which especially is very huge? These in a real sense are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future, or so they truly thought. Velo value expectation 2023, as per the Velo figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Velo cost especially is supposed to commonly cross an extremely normal value level of $0.003, the normal by and large least value worth of Velo, toward the finish of the sort of current year, ought to generally be $0.003 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, Velo can by and large arrive at a most extreme value level of $0.003, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. Velo value gauge August 2023, the sort of normal cost of Velo could especially go to $0.003 toward the finish of August 2023, which explicitly is very critical. Velo could in every practical sense be exchanging around a truly most extreme worth of $0.003, with the especially least expected cost of $0.002, which basically is very critical. Velo value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Velo generally is estimated to really be at around a genuinely least worth of $0.003 in an unobtrusive manner. The Velo value worth can truly arrive at a truly limit of $0.003, with the extremely normal exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars, which truly is genuinely huge. Velo value estimate October 2023, the sort of normal cost of Velo could essentially go to $0.003 toward the finish of October 2023 in a genuinely enormous manner. Velo could truly be exchanging around a really greatest worth of $0.003, with the kind of least expected cost of $0.003, which sort of is very critical. Velo value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the truly greatest cost for Velo could generally stretch around $0.003, which fundamentally is very critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of Velo in November 2023 sort of is $0.003 with an in every way that really matters normal cost of $0.003, or so they explicitly thought. Velo value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the especially most extreme cost for Velo could explicitly stretch around $0.003, demonstrating the way that Velo could fundamentally be exchanging around an essentially greatest worth of $0.003, with the in every practical sense least expected cost of $0.002 in a genuinely significant manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Velo in December 2023 fundamentally is $0.003, with a truly normal cost of $0.003 in every practical sense. Further appearance how Velo value figure August 2023. The truly normal cost of Velo could especially go to $0.003 toward the finish of August 2023, which truly is genuinely huge. Velo genuinely passed value examination in the very beyond 24 hours, the crypto in every way that really matters has been truly diminished by 1.94% in its in every practical sense current worth, all things considered. Further appearance how besides Velo can generally arrive at a sort of greatest value level of $0.003 in an exceptionally significant manner. On the off chance that we really look at the especially current market cap of the Velo with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap sort of is likewise down in a kind of significant manner. From certainly most recent 7 days, the Velo generally was in kind of good vertical pattern and expanded by 3.45%, exhibiting how Velo value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the greatest cost for Velo could stretch around $0.003, demonstrating the way that Velo could be exchanging around a fundamentally greatest worth of $0.003, with the extremely least expected cost of $0.002. Which especially is very critical. Velo for the most part has shown areas of strength for commonly potential of late, and this could be fundamentally great chance to dive right in and generally put resources into an especially significant way, especially inside the in every way that really matters. Most recent 1 month, the cost of Velo essentially diminished by 61.745%, killing an incredible especially normal amount of $0.004 from its in every way that really matters current worth, which by and large is genuinely critical. This unexpected down certainly implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can commonly be a great in every way that really matters purchase, a potential open door for essentially fast speculation. Which explicitly shows that Velo value figure October 2023, the kind of normal cost of Velo could in a real sense go to $0.003 toward the finish of October 2023, in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The 90 days cost change in every practical sense is near 13.96%, and the cost all things considered flowed from a fundamentally least in every way that really matters normal cost of $0.003 to greatest genuinely normal cost of $0.003 in the beyond 90 days, showing that in a real sense is Velo a truly wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2023 in a very large manner. In absolute most recent 4 months, Velo basically has shown a developing pattern, all things considered, in spite of prevalent thinking. Subsequently, we in a real sense believe that comparable pieces of the market essentially were very famous at that period. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Velo is expanded from 4 months, exhibiting that explicitly is Velo a wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The exchanging volume is an essential job in its cost in a for the most part enormous manner. The coin really is up by 12.92%, with the essentially most extreme by and large normal cost of the coin in every practical sense was around $0.002, and the all things considered least certainly normal cost of for the most part was around $0.002 in by and large beyond 4 months, or so they especially thought. Velo value conjecture 2023 facts. What will explicitly be Velo worth in 2023 in a very significant manner? The Velo cost fundamentally is gauged to fundamentally arrive at a sort of greatest degree of $0.003, with by and large least cost of $0.003 toward the finish of 2023, exhibiting that will Velo cost basically outperform its unequaled high